Hi, this is Steph and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talked about personal finance, productivity, and adulting in general. So if you're interested in these topics, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and share this to your friends. In this video, guys, I wanted to share with you something personal, also in relation to personal finance. But I want to share with you how we manage our finances as a couple. So I just want to say na iba-iba yung money management when you are single, when you are married, and when you have a kids. Kasi siguro nag-iiba yung budget because of the different expenses na at the different stages of life. Also, personal finance is unique to every individual, unique din siya to every household. But regardless of your situation or status, it is really important to manage your finances so that you will be able to achieve your goals easily and maybe siguro mas madali siyang ma-achieve. So let's discuss this right now. Number one, we combine our income. Dito, it depends upon the couple, it depends upon the household. But for us, I can see that it is really easier to manage our finances if nakakombine yung salaries namin or income namin. Mas madali siyang i-budget, mas united din kami as a couple because the goals also parang iisa na siya kasi nakalump na yung pera na i-budget. So parang we don't like it that much if yung 50-50 sa hatian. For us, it is really nice if we combine our income. Parang pati sa finances namin, we are married financially. And then the next question would be, who will handle the finances? So for me, mas nice na if yung sino yung mas magaling mag-handle ng pera, siya yung magbabudget. And speaking of budget, this is number 2. So what we did is, we have a budget. Kahit nung single pa ako, mahilig na akong maggawa-gawa ng budget. So I usually adjust it every year. So now that I am married, of course, mas kailangan ko na talagang mag-budgeting. So what do? Is we have an Excel file listing all our income and most especially also listing all our expenses. And then sa budgeting, so parang ina-allocate mo na yung income mo sa different expenses niyo. So that is budgeting. So if you want to learn more about how to create a budget, I have a video, a separate video on how to do that. Just click the video here. And if you don't like doing Excel file for the budget, meron namang mga apps sa cellphone. So I am also using Money Manager app or Money Management app. So ito siya. I use this personally to list down the expenses or yung mga gastos ko like every day for the individual expenses. But honestly, hindi ko siya consistently nagagamit kasi parang ang hirap i-track ng individual expenses per day. So parang mas consistent ako doon sa Excel file ko na budget. Basta I know lang how much yung pera allotted for leisure fund, so for extra activities. So guys, I highly recommend that you create a budget for your household. It is really important to see how much yung gastos nyo talaga per month and to know if it is enough or are you overspending. So i-match nyo siya sa income nyong dalawa or income ng household. So for you to know na, ay, short na pala tayo or overspending na pala tayo or we really need another source of income kasi meron pa tayong maraming bayarin. So mga ganon, nakikita niyo siya sa budget. At nakikita niyo sa budget, ano yung pinakamalaking expense niyo as a household. So for me, budget is really important. Create your own system. Or if hindi niyo pa kaya, meron namang mga free Excel template for budgeting. And number 3, I don't know if ako lang ba to, we have different bank accounts for different purposes. So in our case, we have 10 bank accounts. So meron silang kanya-kanyang purpose. So for example, one bank account is intended for emergency fund. So importante to. Another bank account is intended for the health fund. So meron kaming savings, for example, naka-budget na yung health insurance and life insurance for the next period. So pinaglalaanan ko na siya ng pera para hindi na masyadong mabigat if sa susunod na year mag-renew na naman ng insurance. So at least meron na siyang allocated budget. And another fund is meron kaming for car expenses. So parang nandito yung budget for the monthly amortization, dito yung budget for gas, for preventive maintenance, yung mga repairs, yung yung gas and all other expenses related to car. So for me, if meron kang car, it is really important na meron kang allotted budget for it para hindi ka ma-shock or ma-surprise na meron bigla ang gastos dito. So at least meron kang emergency fund for the car. And then meron din kaming baby fund. So in our case right now, we don't have a baby yet. But starting from the time we got married, meron na akong ina-allot na budget every month for the baby fund. Until now, I am still allocating money para dito. So at least if ever magkaanak kami, meron na kaming budget for the baby fund. Hindi kami mahihirapan saan kukunin yung panggastos for check-up, vitamins, hospitalization, diapers, milk. So at least we are a bit ready for it. And then meron din kaming bank account for the house fund. We also have a bank account for travel fund. And meron din kaming bank account intended for savings for business fund or parang business capital. And I will discuss more of this in a separate video. Personally, I like doing this na i-separate siya into multiple bank accounts kasi we can trick our minds na parang hindi nakalump sa isang bank account yung pera namin. Hindi mo makikita na wow, ang laki-laki na ng pera. So you will not be tempted to spend it because feeling mo ang daming pera. So it is spread out into different bank accounts. Parang mas organized din yung utak mo. For example, merong kailangang expense for ganito. Alam mo kung saang bank account kukunin siya. Mas madaling ma-organize yung finances. So for me, helpful talaga siya. And number 4, guys, is we regularly review our goals. So usually, we review it semi-annual and then meron ding annual. Kasi talaga, sa 1 year, guys, pwedeng mag-iba yung mga plans nyo. Merong mga short-term goals, mga long-term goals. Pwedeng mag-iba yung mga preferences nyo. Pwedeng mag-iba yung mga gusto nyong mangyari in the next year or next 6 months. So it is important to regularly review your goals kasi yung mga goals natin, most likely, may naka-attach na gastos yan. So baka need nyong i-review ulit yung budget, mayroong i-add, i-deduct, so mga ganon. So it is really important to review your goals, to assess again, evaluate kung saan pwedeng mag-adjust sa budget. And number 5, which we really do, we try to always do, is to increase our income. And when I say increase our income, we also try to increase the flexibility of our time. Just a bit of a background, we are working online. So previously, nung mga siguro first 2 years of our marriage, kayod talaga kami ng kayod, like we get multiple clients para lang mag-increase yung income. But then we realized parang nakaka-burnout siya, nakakapagod. So we tried our best na paano kaya yun na mag-increase yung income pero hindi naman masyadong sagad yung oras, like meron pa ding time flexibility. So we really made an effort na magtira na lang ng kahit 1 to 2 clients para at least mag-increase yung income, premium yung clients, so mas malaki yung income, pero meron pa ring time flexibility. But still, guys, we are trying to improve in this area kasi mas gusto pa din namin yung time flexibility, more pa din dito. But at the same time, not sacrificing the income. So hopefully we get there, both the financial and time flexibility. So that's it, guys. I think those are the core things we do when it comes to our finances or how we manage our finances as a couple. So ako mismo yung gumagawa ng budget and then sinasabi ko na lang sa husband ko yung mga kaganapan. So ganito yung budget, ganito yung expenses for the month, parang ang gastos natin dito, or probably we need income na ganito this year, mga ganon. So, dapat as a couple, transparent kayo. Dapat when it comes to your finances, you are also married financially. Kasi mas madaling gumalaw, mas madaling mag-execute ng goals na if you are one in terms of finances. So, yun lang naman, guys. Those are the core things that we do as a married couple para ma-manage namin yung finances namin well. So, it depends on you. Kanya-kanya kasi yung every couple. So, for us, it really worked na parang pagdating sa finances, we are also a team. Because alam naman natin na money is parang isa siya sa mga source of pinag-aawayan ng mga mag-asawa. So it is really important that you plan together. So I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you have other questions, please comment down below. Or paano kayo nagmamanage ng finances niyo as a couple? You can comment it down below. So see you again in my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!